All right, this is next improv game. We got Josh and Gabe up here. Give them a hand as they come on up. I need an audience volunteer from this part of the audience. Yeah, you pointing to your friend, come on down. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, and then I need one more. Who else wants to come? Oh yeah, come on up, man. All right. So this is the game of sound effects. So when it comes to improv games, sometimes the hard thing is that you can't get immersed in the scene because just go over there and talk to them. Sorry, I'm just leaving you hanging. But sometimes you can't get immersed in the scene because you're like, oh man, something was supposed to make a sound and there wasn't any sound. Well, we got these two people that are going to help us out with that. Every time that Gabe or Josh do anything in the scene that have a sound associated with it, our audience volunteers will participate and make those sounds in their own respective microphones. We're going to see an example of that as soon as they're done talking. All right, you ready?
Oh no, the police are coming!
I'll get my shotgun. It's a bit delayed.
All right, now let's start this out from the. Let's see. Let's go this front staff. I kind of been neglecting you guys. Let's start. Let's get a suggestion for something Christmassy. Give me a Christmassy thing. Mistletoe. Ooh, players, are you ready?
I got it.
You did? Well, open it up!
Hold on, I need to put the table down first. There we go.
Hold on, there's gum on it.
Don't eat it! All right. That was the first lock. That sounded like another lock. It's got very well greased hinges.
I can't believe it. Mistletoe from Vancouver. We had it special ordered and it just got here. Excuse me.
That's very powerful mistletoe.
What should we do with it? I mean, it's the most powerful mistletoe in the whole world.
I think I need to shave.
Yeah, you gotta shave because we're gonna go to the steak dance.
Of course, let me just grab my steak. Oh, my steak is ringing. I think that means it's done cooking.
Well, grab it. We gotta head over to the church building.
All right.
Oh, we're here.
Oh, someone's knocking.
Oh. We welcome anyone. That is not a well-greased hinge.
Let's try it again.
Hold on. I'm gonna plug in the machine gun. Perfect, yes. Oh, I think the dance is starting. You can hear the music. It's polka night.